everybody, welcome back to Patriots Gaming with Riley. And today I am doing a Nerf gun, well, my favorite Nerf gun from almost each series. So, and some of them I won't be including because I don't have anything from that series. And from the Nerf Nitro, I'm not going to do them because I only have one gun for that. So, and there's going to be new series in here too. So, I'm going to get started. So, first they actually have the rival gun. I just forgot the name of it. It's you pull it back like this, and then you push it forward, and that's my favorite one from Nerf Rival. And jumping right into my list, it is of course the Tri-Strike, the 3-in-1 blaster, Nerf Mega in the front, Elite in the middle, and Rocket Launcher in the stock. Come on, that's really cool, isn't it? So, a really old series, the Nerf Blaze. The Blaze series is a very old. This is what kind of the Rebel came off of. It's the Nerf Blaze series. This is called the Blaze Fire because it was the first one they ever made. So, it's pretty strong. And moving on to Zombie Strike. It is definitely, just like Nerf Boy said, the slush pot. And of course, I love it because of this feature. That feature, and also, it's so accurate. And you can do all different stuff. You can go like this. You can go. You can go. And you can do all different stuff with it. That's why I love the Sledge Fire. Zombie Strike had a really good job at doing designing because look, this is a wrench handle that they use for the cocking plates right here. That's what they use it. And they also got this rubber stuff right here. And it's just also just so cool of how they made a zombie line because everybody was asking about it. So, there's that one. And this one will be surprising. For the Mega, it's actually the Roto Fury. Well, it's not surprising, but also, it's also tied with my modified Big Shock. 15-mile-per-hour shot right into your gut, you will be crying. So, go. So that's not, and on the Nerf N-Strike Elite, it has to be the Rapid Strike CS-18. And actually, in Nerf's Dart Tag, it's not even a gun. It is the flag from it. You can also use that as a bomb if you're like playing zombies and stuff. You can use that as a bomb. You set it, you press the top button, you set it in a corner, and if anybody walks through it, it would explode and make a sound. And the last blaster for right now, the Doomland, the Vagabond. And you can also slam fire. Most of these guns you can slam fire, and this one's really good at it. So my favorite one out of this group right here is probably a tie between this Nerf Doomland's Vagabond and the Nerf Zombie Strike Touchfire. Oh man, it didn't go all the way. That was my video for today, guys. And let me give you an overview of all my guns for right now. And also, something with this Nerf rival guns are, this is also the most accurate kind of it. Because, like with the Nerf Nemesis, you're just spraying darts everywhere. It's not accurate. It's just pushing it out all different ways. This is shooting one dart. This is shooting one dart at a high velocity, which makes it accurate. It can break through 3 styrofoam plates. And that's something really cool about it. The Tri-Strike, my gun, the Elite type, it's jammed. It comes with a 10 dart thing. And the Nerf Blaze, I just don't have no complaints about it. It is so cool. Sledgefire, I explained everything about how cool that was. My big shot, 15 miles per hour. Wow. Roto Fury, amazing. One of my only rapid fire guns, the Rapid Strike CS-18, the Dart Tag Bomb, and also the Vagabond. The Vagabond. So that was it for today, guys, and goodbye.